and welcome to Coco's channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. This morning, it's a beautiful morning, and very beautiful, brisk but beautiful. So this morning, guys, I have a mini haul, and when I say mini, I mean mini. It's very, very short. It's going to be a few items, and the items are from the Ikea store. Yeah, I've been to the Ikea like 3 times, and it has a little bit of everything there. Not a little bit of everything, it has a lot of everything there. And excuse me, guys. So if you need inspiration on certain things, you can go there and get some inspiration and get some ideas, just for whatever, ideas you may have in your head or projects you may have in your head. It's a good place to go get inspiration, and it's a good place to go if you are handy with your hands, if you can put things together, if you have patience, and you don't mind, doing stuff like that. The prices of their stuff, the prices of their items is really, really very good, I think. Because they have in mass quantity. And when I say mass, I mean it's like a lot of the pieces, so you can very well expect to get a better price. So yeah, if you have never been, which probably I'm the only person in the world that hasn't been to the Ikea, this was like my 3rd time, but I enjoy going to the Ikea. Yeah, they have a little bit of everything, but again, it's just like going to a grocery store. You need to have a list, because it'll be like going to the Walmart for some milk and eggs and come out with a whole new bathroom set and no milk and no eggs. So know exactly what you want, when you go into the Ikea. So we're going to go ahead and get this here little haul started, and it's just a little bit of bits and pieces of things. For real, when I say nothing really big, but it's just some pieces from the Ikea. So I'm going to start out with my little vase. Since you guys know, I kind of have a little blue theme with my plants. So I have one plant that I have had to do a little surgery on, and trying to figure out if this little fella is gonna make it or not. And if he makes it, then I have a little pot for him, to be housed in. It's not looking good for him. It's not looking good, but I have faith. I have faith in him. This right here, it's just a basic roller, right? But my lounger here catches a lot of lint. And when I tell you this little baby picks it up, and it picks it up good, it picks it up good. And you just remove it. Once you feel like you've gotten enough picked up off of that piece, you just take it and remove it like this. And baby, you're ready to start all over again. I mean, when I say it works magic, it works magic. The Ikea. It was like $1 and something, not certain. And I wanted a tiny spatula. All of my spatulas are kind of fat, you know, and sometimes depend on if I'm using my little skillet, I don't have enough room to get my big spatula around it to flip it or whatever. So I wanted me a little bitty kind of spatula to be able to get into my small skillet. That is from the Ikea. I think that was like $2 and something. And of course I had to get another candle. And this candle is called Amrade. Amrade is very nice and very soft. Very nice scent. So I'll get Amrade, Amrade, I guess. Amrade. Once I get my Christmas decorations. So I did get 2 of them. So I'll put them up once I get my decorations up. And then these, not much, but these are the little flat batteries. And I do have a lot of things that operate by these batteries. And I usually get them from the tree. Not certain how long they last at the tree because it seems like I buy a lot of them. So I just got these to try and see if maybe they do last a little longer than the ones at the tree. I think these were like about $3 or something like that for the pack. And this item here, guys, oh Lord, oh no, I just had to have this bowl. It just looks like I need to do some chicken wings in here and toss it around. Does it look like that to you? It looks like that to me. So, yeah, when I saw that at Ikea, I was like, that looks like some chicken wings. So, I'm not sure how much this costs, but I'm gonna say maybe about $4, maybe $5-ish at the most dollars. But yeah. And I'm sure it could be used for other things. But I fell in love with it because it looks like I could do some chicken wings. Yep, so that's what I'll be doing with this. And then my other bowl. Oh no, I gotta get it together, guys. But this bowl spoke to me. And it said, you need me for presentations. And I said, you know what? Try Gigi, because that's what the name is on here. It says try Gigi. So I said, you know what? Try Gigi. You right about that. You right, Try Gigi. So Try Gigi made it to the house with me. And after this video, I'm gonna get Try Gigi in the kitchen. We're gonna get them all cleaned up. And then I have a beautiful salad, a beautiful fruit salad I'm going to present in Try Gigi. This is from the Ikea. And no more than, I'm gonna say no more than $5, guys. And then I wanted some spring rods. I had a project in my head, but once I got home, the project, I don't think it's going to work, but I think I got another project where I can use it, the spring rod, this size. So yeah, this is for a project, and I have 2 of them, and they are expandable spring rods. You just put them in between, press them together, and you know, it just kind of forms that rod. And this is a 70 by 120. I guess it goes from 70 to 120. No, yeah, 120 is the max. So, yes, baby. I know, guys, I'm excited. I know you want to play some badminton or some tennis with this, don't you? Just want to get in there, yeah. Well, you know what this is. You say you don't? For real? Well, just in case you don't and you're playing. This is a splatter proof to prevent the oil from popping from the skillet on the stove as best as possible. Not saying that it will prevent it 100%, but it will help it a lot. And since I still like to fry on the stove, I need something like this. And then sometimes I might want to just get out there and just play me, bam, you know, slam them balls, you know, like I used to. So yeah, this is my splatter protector from the Ikea. No more than $2, guys. And I gotta get it together with this, but this is something my cousin Shane Pye told me that I needed. And I agree, which is a cutting board. I can use it as a charcuterie. It's a charcuterie. Also, it almost looks like you can use both sides. I'm sure I can. But this size has the little whales in it. So I guess if you're doing anything with liquids or anything like that, it can run in there and prevent it from rolling over the edge. It's very heavy, but it's very pretty. And I need something, so like if I'm rolling dough or something like that, I can use this. Or like I'm saying, even if I wanted to do a display of fruits and vegetables, that would be good, and crackers. Or just use it as a cutting board. But it's nice, and I needed it. And this was like the most expensive thing. I think this was like $16 or something like that. Yeah, it was kind of expensive. All right. And so this is another project that I got. Kind of keep me busy. And I'll do a video on this coming up. It's a wine bar. So I'll do a little video on that as well. And these here little things, ooh, I'm gonna do a whole nother video on preparing for organization. So please look out for that, because certain things you have to know when you are trying to get yourself organized. And if you don't, you're just gonna be hustling and flowing, okay? So another video also, you know, I spoke about this one in my previous videos, is my closet. I'm trying to get my closet organized. So it is, right now it has these in the closet. However, the ones I have in the closet are not like as sturdy as these. So, and then even though I took one with me for measurement purposes, I still messed around and got it. It's too big. But they can still be used. I just have to do some finagling. It can definitely be used. So yeah, that's why I say know exactly what you're looking for. And I mean specifically what you're looking for. And you know, then that way you don't have to worry about this kind of stuff happening. But they're still going to be used, and I'm still going to show you the video. I just have to come up with another plan of how to incorporate the size. That's what I have to do. And they just fold down very easily, just like so. Nice and flat. All right. So I think the last thing, yeah, that was pretty quick, guys. The last thing, and I just don't understand why I can't find one of these that last, but I had to get another one because for some reason mine do not last long. And these are the expandable hampers that I love. And so this one here is the white one. It has a little Velcro closure here. There's the little Velcro there, and then there's the Velcro there. And you just snap them together and you carry them like that. And then when you go to fold it up, you have Velcro here and Velcro here. So you just kind of wrap it like so. And then it's back to the flat sides, you know, but mine will stay up. It's a dirty clothes hamper for me. So, you know, mine will always be up, but just, oops, that's how we roll. So, yeah, that was my little IKEA haul. Tell me about you guys' visits to IKEA. What do you like at the IKEA? I mean, I've seen so many things that I really and truly could get with if I just had somebody that didn't mind putting that stuff together. I'm not saying I can't, but you got to be set up for it. I need to have me a table, a chair, a light. I need to have everything. I just can't, no. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of my IKEA first haul ever. And, you know, I'll be going back to the IKEA. There's a couple of things that I mean, and their prices are good. They're good. They're very, very good. So, I mean, just for a little bit of change, you know, you can make a little old difference in your appearance of your place. You know what I'm saying? Just for a fraction of the price. So, thank you guys. You know I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. And so until the next time, guys, remain sweet and kind, okay? And don't forget, like, comment, and share on my video, please. And subscribe. Click the notification bell to be reminded of any new and upcoming videos that may be released. So, love you guys, and until next time, remain sweet and kind. Bye for now.